you guys doing on today? I'm super excited about today's video, y'all. Today's video is going to be how to style thrifted pieces. I'm so excited about this video because most of my clothes are thrifted. So like I said, I just want to show you guys how I personally style these clothes. Can't talk today for some reason. Yeah, about how I personally style these pieces. So yes, I'm so excited. So we're gonna get right into the video, y'all. Super excited. Alright, you guys, the first outfit is these thrifted striped black pants. So they're so cute. And I have on these thrifted pink boots that I found. And what I do is I kind of scrunch them up and bring them down because I like the scrunchy look. So, you know, it just makes everything look cute. And then this beautiful striped shirt. Well, it's like a striped shirt, and then on the back it's open and it shows my back, and it has the tie on the shirt. So I thought that this outfit here would be super cute. Alright, you guys, this beautiful red cardigan, I styled it with these sweats. I just did like a monochromatic look. I don't know if that's the right terminology, but they were similar in color and it's just a comfortable fit. Also, if I wanted to really red it out, I would add this beautiful coat here with this look. These boots, chunky boots, and I would add my belt around it. So yeah. Period. Alright, you guys, here's another outfit. I decided can't talk today. I decided to take this beautiful can't even explain the fabric, but turtleneck. I have a full body camera, so I'm working with what I got. But yeah, I decided to do that and turn it into a look. With the boots, jacket, and this is the thrifted jacket that I showed you guys. I would wear it just like this. Another outfit that I wanted to show you guys, it is this vest, and I'm not really feeling this outfit like I thought I would, but I think I would, if I put a pin here, this would be perfect. Super cute vest outfit with these jeans, thrifted, and this was thrifted, and with these boots here. I thought was a look, but you know how you picture something in your head and then you put it on and it's like no. So this is gonna be a no for me. This is not what I thought it was unless I hook it up some kind of way. I might take the sleeves and do them like that and see it makes it look better. But with these boots that I thought would be okay with it. So yeah, this is the look. This is the look with this beautiful colored top. I love this, but the vest I'm kind of questionable about. As you can see here, it is got this beautiful design on it by Fashion Nova, and I paired it with these beautiful pants that have the Aztec kind of design, and they kind of reminded me of each other, so I kind of paired it with it. As you can see, the details, super cute. This is it from afar. I would actually wear my white Adidas with this, with some some scrunchy socks. So that's how I would pretty much style this. Pretty self-explanatory. But yeah, this is the look. Yeah, so this is what I would do. All right, you guys, this is the next outfit. As you can see, I did thrift this outfit at different times. It wasn't even an outfit. I thrifted the shirt first, and then I thrifted this. I went back a few weeks later, and then I found this skirt. So as you guys can see, this look here is the fabric is very soft. The skirt is the same exact way, and you can see that it is so cute. And I don't know exactly how I would like this. I'm kind of confused about the shoes, so that's why I don't have on any shoes with this outfit. But this is how I would just put this together, even though it didn't come together. So yeah, and I have it tucked to the side so you can kind of see that. Cute. My next outfit is this beautiful bag here that I got from the outlet, as you can see, paired with this beautiful Boston used sweatshirt that I got from the Goodwill, with this beautiful long floral skirt with these brown heels, as you can see. Pretty self-explanatory. I might have to take the skirt in some because the skirt is a little big for your girl. But yeah, this is the look. You can do a crossbody look with the bag. Put the bag over the body. Wear it like this, as you can see. See? So cute. Yes, y'all. I thought this was cute. So yeah, this is the last outfit, you guys, and I'm tired. That was a lot of work. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I tell you, I only did like 5 or 6 looks. I think it was, maybe it was 5 or 6. I don't really remember, but I think I pretty much did. I didn't like one, and it's because the way you know, you have it in your head how you think it's gonna go, and then you actually put it on and it's like, no, that was not working. So hopefully next time I will be able to, you know, enjoy all the pieces. Everything was from the Goodwill, the outlet, and Salvation Army. Pretty much everything was from one of those stores. Nothing was bought from the mall or anything. Everything was thrifted. So yes, y'all, I pretty much enjoyed doing this video, you guys, and I really am loving this last outfit I got on. Let me kind of show it to you one more time. Like, this is like cute. Like, it's like cute. Yes. So I'm really enjoying this outfit. But you guys, that is pretty much everything that I'm going to show in this video. Like I said, hopefully I can get a full body camera so you guys can see the whole outfit without me having to squinch and move. You know, it's just too much. So yes, that's going to be the next thing to get, is a full body camera for things like this with try-ons and stuff. So yeah, you guys, I appreciate you guys watching today. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, y'all. And I do have more of these coming because, like I said, most of my stuff is thrifted. So you guys will definitely get more of these how-to-style thrifted clothes. So please stay tuned, and I will talk to you guys later.